Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and I couldn't help myself, but I ordered a Galil off Classic Firearms, and I was going to wait till the weekend to unbox it and do a review and a test video all in one shot, but man, this thing is pretty awesome when I got it from the FFL. Of course, I opened it at the FFL just to make sure things functioned and it looked good. No cracks or anything, no broken parts. So that's as far as I've got. I've never actually observed the rifle itself and kind of looked and see what, the different types of little things that are on there, the different parts and all that. So I got to see also if some of these magazines fit. So I'm going to unbox it right here, right now. I'm just doing it raw, right from the camera phone. So let's do it. Let me flip around the camera here and we'll see what happens. So there it is. There's the box. It's a hard plastic case. I didn't know it, but apparently that comes with the shooter package. I didn't realize at the time I actually ordered the shooter package. So let's open it up, see what we got. Oh man, the wood handle Galil. All right. Looks like we got the magazine there, plastic polymer Tapco mag for a Galil. This is the Battlefield pickup, I think, or the battle-worn version, from what the FFL was saying. Man, it's got the Israeli markings on there. This receiver looks pretty legit, looks well manufactured. The wood, it's a little dark, so it's been used and abused. Not sure what that is right there. It does come with this bipod here. Pretty awesome. All right, we'll just wait a little bit to take that out. And looks like a sling and some kind of aftermarket bayonet or reproduction bayonet. Or is that reproduction? I think this is legit. I'm pretty sure this is a legit M7 bayonet. Let's find out. That looks legit. Yeah, that looks pretty legit to me. It just looks pretty good. Some scuff marks there, but honestly, the bayonet, it's got to be authentic. That looks legit. All right, so maybe a legit bayonet. All right, USM 7. That's pretty good. Maybe it's just this that threw me off, because that just looks like a shoelace. All right, so we got the sling, we got the thing there, Tapco mag. All right, let's pick it up and see what we got here. All right, so it looks like the rear sight here came they put it in that position there. There we go. All right, so we got the rear sights here. We got different levels. Should also have a night sight there. There we go. Okay, so you do that, and now you got a night sight. Obviously, the glow-in-the-dark portion looks like it's not active right now. And then up here in the front, we've got the front sight post that flips up for your night sight. There we go. There's a night sight one. All right. Flip that like that. I'm not going to be shooting this thing at night just yet. Getting ahead of myself. Overall, looks pretty sleek. Not too worn. It's not too bad at all. This part kit actually looks pretty legit. Pretty legit. Let's see about that bipod here. See what we got. All right. Check that out. Yep, that's it's pretty cool. Looks like a little historical note too. The battle veteran turned in condition Gallant from James River Armory. I need to take some time to read that. But yeah, you see under here is where they put the James River Armory. The serial number is going to be on the side there. This side looks pretty awesome. You've got the Israeli markings there, a crest. There's the Gallant 556. Safeties right here. And then you have your safety on that side. So one's ambidextrous. And then the buttstock right here. All right. Looks pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see if this thing could take a magazine. So yeah, it's got a magazine in there. It fits pretty good. It feels a lot front heavy. It feels like it's front heavy. It's probably because of the bipod and this is the way that it's designed. So yeah, it's pretty front heavy here. Let's see if that bayonet fits. There we go. Bayonet's on there. Now let's see if some of the other magazines I have work for this thing. All right, newish looking surplus mag. I catch that lip right there and bam. All right, fits just right. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's try another mag. This is a 50 round Galil magazine. Let's see what we got. Come on. Bam. 50 round Galil magazine. Now these standard magazines are going to be 35 rounds. And this right here is a 50 round. Pretty much it was still in plastic wrap. I don't think it's ever been used. Still had the original plastic wrap in it. So it's pretty cool. Got that from a local shop. But yeah, overall, pretty awesome rifle. Let me see if one of my other bayonets fits. And this is just another bayonet I have for it. The KCB 70 German-made bayonet. It was meant for AR-15 rifles, NATO-type rifles, and it does fit the Galil. So that's pretty awesome. It looks pretty snazzy. So yeah, looks like we're going to have some fun time shooting this thing. Hopefully tomorrow if the weather's good. All right, guys, that was the unboxing of the JRA Gallant. So hopefully I can get this thing out to the range and give you a little pew-pews for the weekend. But yeah, if you're interested, you know, I guess you can go check out their website or see when next time they'll have one in stock. I do have a 50 round magazine on there right now, so hopefully we won't have too much fun with this thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share if you like this kind of content, and like and subscribe if you haven't, and be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.